focus on a simple topic, an interesting topic called idiomatic expression from the word idiom. Then we'll be looking at the meaning of idiomatic expression. Then we'll also be talking about methods of idiomatic expression. Under the method, we'll be looking at hints or clues on how to go about idiomatic expression or idiomatic statements or idiomatic phrase and so on and so forth. So thereafter we're going to look at examples or various examples of this concept called idiomatic expression. So I want to beg your indulgence this afternoon that idiomatic expression is quite different from proverb or adage. They are not the same. Although idiomatic expression and proverb seem to share similar properties or characteristics, but they differ. And also when we talk of idiomatic expression, one, idiomatic expressions enrich our spoken and written English. That is, it makes our written English looks mature or sound mature. Then it also allows our written English looks mature, including written English and the spoken English. And that is why, or one of the reasons why the traditional English speakers make use of idiomatic expression. Although within the African environment, we also have our idiomatic expression in our indigenous language. In the Hausa language, we have idiomatic expression. In the Igbo language, we also have idiomatic expression. In the Yoruba language, we also have idiomatic expression. And that is why if you meet with a typical Igbo boy from a village, the mode or the pattern by which he speaks will be baffled, because he will definitely make use of the thick aspect of the language. So in all the languages, in all the indigenous languages within the African environment, we have idiomatic expression. Then we also have proverbs and so on and so forth. Then in English, an average white man or white speaker makes use of idiomatic expression often in order to express his concepts or to express his mind on that thing that he has in his mind. So, and one of the advantages of idiomatic expression, or one of the reasons why scholars make use of idiomatic expression, is because it allows one or the speaker to express himself or herself vividly. And that's why to the Igbo people or the Igbo scholars believe that idiomatic expression is pregnant in nature. That is, the concept, the expression, the phrase, the statement called idiom in nature is in form of pregnant or is pregnant in nature that needs to be unwrapped for one to understand the meaning or what the speaker has in mind or what the speaker has in stock or what the speaker is trying to say. So that is why idiomatic expression requires some skills or methods that exam candidates require to train themselves in or equip themselves with before exam. And then idiomatic expression or some of the idiom in English are synonymous in nature. That is, they are like words and meaning. You know, when we are in primary school, there is this aspect of the English language that we often, which is word and meaning, right? Yes. So some idioms are like that. Then some idioms are also like word and opposite. Also, when we're in primary school, there is this concept in English called word and opposite. I get when the teacher will say the opposite of me is what? female. So some idioms are also like that. For example, when we talk of example of idioms that are like word and opposite, we have troubleshooter. A speaker can say that Joshua is a troubleshooter. You see now, when you say Joshua is a troubleshooter, one will assume that the speaker means that Joshua is a troublemaker. No, the English dictionary, when you check your English dictionary, Oxford, the 7th edition, even in the 8th edition to the 9th edition, you find the meaning of troubleshooter. Troubleshooter simply means peacemaker. You see it now. So some idioms are opposite in meaning, while some are not. So by the time we look at the method or the styles or the aids behind idiomatic expression, we understand why some are opposite in meaning and why some are not. Are we together? Alright. Then the question now is, what is the meaning of idiomatic expression? So let's write meaning of idiomatic expression. So idiomatic expression will be defined as group of statement or phrase whose meaning cannot be understood by interpreting the individual words. However, we have two methods or hints or clues of interpreting idiomatic expression. We have what we call connotation. And we have what we call connotation. So when we talk about connotation, connotation has to do with technical application of knowledge outside its dictionary meaning. So for instance, a word is first like new or for instance, when somebody says you are advised to turn over a new leaf, it simply means that what is expected to change from bad habits, from bad habits to good. That is the meaning of new leaf. So this is application of knowledge. Then we also have what we call denotation, which simply means for diction with what we call dictionary. So it is the literary application of knowledge. Literary application of knowledge. So these are the two aids or methods of interpreting idiomatic expression. So when we talk of example of idiomatic expression, we mean the have what we call man of straw, which means someone who lives in abject poverty. Then we also have to live from hand to mouth. So when somebody lives from hand to mouth, it simply means that such fellow does not have savings. Somebody who does not have savings is someone who lives from hand to mouth, without living a life without savings. Then we also have another example that, let's say, joy business costs and leg. So when you say somebody's business cost arm and leg, it simply means that the business costs huge amount of money, or it is very expensive to run. Then also to drop line is also an idiomatic expression. When somebody say drop line on my behalf. It means to drop a message or to leave a message behind. That is the meaning of to drop line. Of course, in the study of English, we have thousands of idiomatic expressions with meanings. So on this note, we call it